So remember bike lanes? That's what got me into this mess in the first place. Bike lanes have been a success in cities like London, Paris, Copenhagen, and even New York City. So it's disappointing living in a city where they're actively ripping them up. And while legal protesting increasingly falls on deaf ears, people demanding change have to decide what they want to risk. Which is why, after all that I've learned, I've decided not to protest. Because I'm scared. I could be met with opposition ranging from intimidation to violence to, in some cases, even mind invasion.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Protesting is your right, no matter what anyone says. I'm simply too comfortable to do it. But whatever you choose to do, remember to take care of yourself. And do as I say, not as I do. For Hot Globe, I'm a coward.